improvements do you see in your child after starting therapy? Hi everyone, this is Dr. Sonam Kothari. I'm a pediatric neurologist, a behavior analyst, and a special educator. It's a very common question that the parents ask once I start therapy, what all changes I will see, how fast I will see, and how would I recognize that these changes are right or not. So, the first thing is once the child starts with therapy, the changes starts happening in multiple domains. The usual domains that the changes starts happening in are social domain, language domain, and behaviors. These are the three first domains that starts showing changes, and slowly academics is the other one which starts showing changes. Once the child comes or goes to the therapy center, be the child verbal, non-verbal, social, not social, going for academics or non-academics, whatever may be the development, the first thing that parents needs to do is find out, or the doctor needs to make them understand what all domains the child is lacking. The child might be lacking in social domain, language domain, academics domain, or motor domain, or maybe behaviors or severe behaviors. All the 5 domains the therapist should start working in at the same time. It can be plus minus, first this then that, but in around 3 months or 6 months all the domains should be touched upon. Now once the child starts showing improvement, the first improvement the child usually starts showing changes in is language domain and social domain. That means he will start giving an eye contact, a name response, start playing with you, start interacting with you, listening to you, listening to your instructions, following some of your instructions, simple instructions, and requesting or repeating after you. Then slowly they start developing life skills, that is sitting tolerance, waiting tolerance, listening to your instructions, and so on. Slowly with time, they start showing reduction in behavior. That means hyperactivity, anger bursts, or hitting, biting, kicking, all these things starts reducing. All this should start showing changes, maybe 10%, 20%, 80% depending on the child's progress within 3 months of your therapy or within 4 months of your therapy. These changes should start coming in 80 to 85% of the kids. Definitely 20%, 25% of kids might show a slow progress, but definitely in 3 months some or the other progress should start happening. Academic progress, suppose the child has come just for academics, again it takes a little time to start showing progress because the kids' learning ability takes over, like how long it will take for showing the progress, but still a 2 months or 3 months period is enough to start showing some progress. If the therapy you are taking for 3 months, 4 months, but you're not seeing any change in child, the eye contact is the same, the name response is the same, there are no reduction in behavior, the child is not listening anything, and suppose the child is not even babbling anything, or some letters that are coming out. If nothing is happening of that sort, maybe the child is either slow progressing or the therapy is not running fine. If the therapy is not running fine, you might have to change the therapy model, or you might have to put some different interventions in place. Or if the child is slow progressing, there might be some other variants which has to be put so that the improvement happens fast. Always remember, any therapy, you give any therapy, the progress should start showing within 3 months of therapy. If it is not showing progress, something is going wrong. Either, I'm not saying it will be 100% change that might be seen in the child, but some positive changes, some minimal wins which the parent can see will start coming up in the child. So kindly monitor your therapy. Make sure that the therapy is happening, whatever therapy is being given to the child is absolutely the right therapy what the child requires. Thank you.